Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Venturing Around. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the VeGue USB microphone kit that I picked up from Amazon on Prime Day. It's the VG-016. So let's jump right in, and we'll start opening the box and let's see what all's inside and then maybe try it out. Okay, here's the package. And just says VeGue USB microphone. I guess that's how you say the name, I don't know. But let's open it up here and see what all it comes with. So we have a spit shield so you don't spit in it. And then a little instruction manual, user guide, foam, and there's the arm, so we can mount it to the table. And there's the USB cable. Here's the here's the suspension holder. I'm sure there's a technical name for that, but I don't know it. And there's the desk mount clamp. We'll just tighten that up on the desk and then put this in there like so. You can move it around how you need it. Okay, so let's get to the main part that we've all been waiting for. There's the microphone. Just a simple little USB plug. It's the USB B? C? No, it's not the C. But it just plugs in the bottom. And then we'll see how it works. Now this is supposed to be a Cartoid microphone. So let me get it all set up and then we'll try it out. Okay, here we go. Let's test this microphone out. Testing 1 2, test 1 2 3 4, testing 1 2 3 4. I think it sounds pretty nice. How about you? Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.